Hey guys, today I'm at Costco in search of clearance finds for the month of February. I've already found amazing prices on great products and new price drops, so please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and well, let's get right to it. Okay, so you guys are not going to believe that I found the mixing bowl set. Remember that I had mentioned I was just going to purchase it at the original price? Well, look what happened. I found it going for $15. It's the first time ever I'm seeing a price drop on this item. But again, it's very store specific. So in case anyone's interested, I spotted these in the Chino Hills location. The mixing bowl set for this small is actually pretty awesome because it comes with 4 different types of lids. You also have 3 of the greater attachments, and it comes also with 4 of the stainless steel mixing bowls that are of different sizes. I also like that they have the silicone base too, so that way, you ensure the mixing bowl kind of stays in place. But there was very few of these left. They normally sell for $25. Costco and La Habra had these mugs that come as a 4-pack. I found them going for $15. They come with a little handle, and this is what they look like. I actually like the size of these. They are of 13.5 ounces. Again, $15. Not too bad considering at one point they were selling for $20. So they are freezer safe, dishwasher safe, and also microwave safe. These Yankee candles now seem to have a limited stock at Costco, but I did spot them in the City of Industry, and I found them at a pretty good price. These normally sell for $20, but I found them going for $14.97. Haven't seen them anything lower than this. They come as a 6-pack, and the candles are tiny, so they're of like 4.3 ounces. They have different scents like balsam and cedar, white spruce and grapefruit, lakefront lodge, dried lavender and oak, red apple wreath, and you also have smoked vanilla and cashmere. These will make an awesome gift if you happen to know someone that really loves candles. Several Costco stores still carry these Acacia serving boards that come as a set of 2, and they come with 6 glass bowls, and the bowls are small, so keep in mind they are of 8 ounces. So again, another item that's good for appetizers. This one I found it going for $11.97. I still haven't seen it at a lower price than this. Let me know if you happen to spot it in your area at a better price. But these at one point were going for $16. And considering I'm still seeing them in several Costco's, I would say start keeping an eye out for these because there might be a chance you can find them at an even lower price. This is what they look like. I know the glass bowls are oven safe too, so that's pretty nice. And when it comes to the serving boards, you're definitely going to want to hand wash those. Many Costco still seem to carry these Glow-Tech travel foldable mirrors. In this Costco, at least, they still had them in black and white. And keep in mind, they originally sold for $20, but recently I found them going for $14.97. And this price was pretty steady across the board. Several Costco's in my area at least had them at this price. But keep in mind, they do have the Death Star on them now, so keep an eye out for these. Maybe you'll find them at an even better price than what I did. They come with 3 different light modes. You can choose from warm, cool, or natural lighting, and they also come with a little 10x magnification mirror. Here is an update on these beautiful 6-piece glass bowls. They come in gray or clear. And in the Fullerton location, I found them at an even better price. They normally sold for $17. I believe the last time we talked about these, they were going for like $12.97. Recently, I found them going for $9.97. So, of course, an even better price. And yeah, at least at Fullerton, they still had several of the gray glass bowls and several of the clear ones too. It's a total of 6 pieces. This is the second time this year that I found this Wahl all-in-one grooming kit. It comes with storage and accessories, also different sizes for the trimmer, different sizes when it comes to like the clipper guards too. This one though, I found at a pretty good price, $22. The best price I've seen, by the way, is of $20, so pretty close. These at one point were going for $40. Then you can see there was only one left though, but I recommend to start keeping an eye out for it because it does have the Death Star on there. You guys have heard me talk about Tate's Bake Shop products before. I really love their thin, crispy chocolate chip cookies, but not too long ago they released that cookie, but they dipped it like in dark chocolate and they added a little bit of sea salt to it, guys, and it's amazing. It's out of this world, really. $6.97. This bag is so worth it at this price. Normally it sells for $9.79, you know, a little bit. You get yourself some additional savings there. In case anyone's interested, this was in a Costco in Norwalk. 1.1 ounce, around 160 calories. And yeah, I cannot recommend these enough. They're very tasty. I remember at one point I tried this organic cilantro and lime rice. I thought it was pretty okay. I found it going for $4.97, which is half off the original price, and this was also at Costco in Norwalk. I like having little pouches of rice like this at home because it really cuts the cooking time in half, especially, when you just want a quick meal. They did have several of these left, by the way, but it seems like Costco has a limited stock for these now. I still haven't gotten a chance to try these Unreal Dark Chocolate Variety Pack, but I must say it's catching my attention. $9.97, not a bad price considering at one point it was going for $14.79. And I honestly don't remember if I ever even saw these on sale, but the one that's catching my attention is the little peanut butter cup. You also have the dark chocolate peanut gems, and you have the peanut nugget bars in here. So it's a pretty good variety pack, and it's supposed to have very simple ingredients. And look what else I found at a clearance price. Here we have the Jonny Pops, the chocolate dipped strawberry flavor. These are my absolute favorite. This was in the Tustin location, by the way. For the first time this year, I found them at a clearance price, $9.97. Not a bad price. They normally sell for $13.49. And guys, these don't stay year round. So you bet I'm stocking up, grabbing myself 2 more boxes today because I'm not sure when's the next time I'll be able to find these. One pop's around 150 calories. It does have around 15 grams of sugar. I also found the Reese's frozen fruit. I found these going for $5.97. This was also in Tustin, by the way. At one point, these were going for $10. A little bit of a rare find. I think several Costco's in my area still have these at the original price. But it's the Reese's frozen fruit banana slices. And they have milk chocolate and the Reese's peanut butter in them. Sounds like a pretty good combination. Let me flip this over so we can see here the nutrition facts. 1 ounce, around 90 calories. It has around 10 grams of carbs, 2 grams of protein, around 4.5 grams of fat. Costco in Norwalk had a very good price on this oval Arctic ice plunge. It comes with a thermal cover. It comes also with repair patches, which is pretty nice. And it's portable and very easy to use and very easy to set up too. Let me show you guys here the price tag because you won't believe this price. Keep in mind at one point it was selling for $200, but I found it going for $49.97. This is an awesome clearance price, probably one of the best prices you'll ever be able to find. Here's some additional details. It says dip your toes into the world of cold plunging. Let me know if anyone's tried cold plunging before. I personally haven't, but I'm definitely open to the idea. Although I know I would probably want to get out within the first 5 seconds. But yeah, guys, there was a couple of these left still in the Norwalk location. If you happen to have a little one that absolutely loves Bluey, check out this kid's floor lounger that I found at Costco. And this was in Fullerton, by the way. Normally, it was selling for $80, but I found it going for $49.97. It expands to 47 by 65 inches. It comes with a pillow. It also comes, of course, with a cover. It's a soft memory foam, easy to assemble, and great for play. They only had the Bluey character. I can't remember if they used to have other characters, but it's perfect for a little one that really loves Bluey. And in case anyone's been looking for this Love Lego sculpture, I did want to let you know I found it in the Habra location at a pretty decent price too. Keep in mind it normally sold for $65. There you have the measurements for it. But it's actually very pretty. I did find it in the La Habra location once again for $50, so I think that's a pretty good price. I don't think I've seen it anything lower than that. 791 pieces total. In the shoe section, I did find the Skechers Arch Comfort. These are for men, by the way. And recently I found them going for $29.97. But I will say I have seen them before as low as $25. But keep in mind, as the price starts dropping, the sizes become extremely limited. They originally sold for $35, and in this Costco at least, they still had both color options. So they had them in black. You can see this is what they look like, and then they also have them in gray. I'm noticing many Costco's still carry these Skechers light foam sneakers for ladies. Very similar to the men's style, but of course the colors vary. But these I found them going for $29.97. And guys, this was in several Costco's in my area. I didn't find them anything lower than this price. So keep an eye out for them and let me know if you happen to spot them at a cheaper price than this. But these are machine washable and they're ultra lightweight. They originally sold for $35. Costco in Fullerton had these Kirkland Signature Ladies Crew Socks. It's made with extra fine merino wool, and I found them going for $4.97. That's a pretty good price for 4 pairs. It fits shoe size 6 to 10.5. And they actually had 2 different styles. And keep in mind that at one point these were going for 15. So imagine from $15 to 5. That is a huge price difference. So this one right here is all tones of gray, and then of course it has black, and then this one right here has blue, gray, and then some navy blue in there. So 2 different styles to choose from. Costco in Tustin. I found the sneak erasers once again. If you guys remember, this is the easy shoe cleaner that comes with the detergent and the instant shoe cleaner, which I absolutely love. It's like a little sponge, and all you have to do is add water to it and it cleans your shoe. Very good. I found these going for $9.97. I want to say I've seen these for a little lower than that. I believe the lowest price was of $9 if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, it comes with instructions as to how to use at least the soap that it comes with, and then also the sponge. And again, the sponge is my favorite. You want to swipe that gently with the white side, and then you wipe it clean with the orange side. And there's a huge difference that you'll notice on your sneakers. And that is all that I have for today. Remember to turn on your notification button to know when I have uploaded a new video. See you guys next time.